Ain't nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Less for More, the show where I show you how to do amazing DIY projects, photography, event recipes for your family and friends, travel and more. Today I'm going to show you a quick vid of what you can do, fellas, if you've got tools that you've got sitting around and then you try to pull them out and ooh, look what happened. You thought you had them in a storage container, you thought they were secure, but ooh, they got rusty. What can we do about that? Well, I'm going to show you a real quick vid on how to solve that problem. First, you're going to take a bowl. Bowl's big enough to hold your tools in because you're going to soak this. You're going to be doing some soaking. Take some baking soda. Take some apple cider vinegar. Okay? Doesn't matter which kind you use for this. You're going to pour this in. Okay? Drop in your tools. You see it's got a little rust there. Alright, just like that. Add your baking soda. Watch that. Alright, it's going to bubble up. These are usually inactive ingredients that will then activate once combined together. If you've seen in my other videos, you know I love to use this combination for cleaning, but it also works to get rid of rust. You're gonna let that soak for a few minutes. Then go through the whole activation process. Alright guys, we've been letting it sit for about 5 minutes. We're gonna give it a few more seconds to work its magic. Keep in mind guys, if you have tools, you don't want to store them in drawers that are near. You may have a cabinet drawer where you use for storage of your tools for easy access, but you don't want them to be anywhere near a sink, anywhere that has drainage, like a countertop drawer or a drawer near the sink, anything like that, because guys, what happens, you forget that your tools are in there, you're washing, you're cleaning, whatever you may be doing, you may be pouring drinks. Oh, if you spill it and it gets in that drawer, well, those tools you may have forgotten about still have the water on them and they'll get rusty, and then you'll be in this situation. But I'll show you how to fix that if that does happen. Alright, you're going to take an old rag. You guys don't use your wife's towels. You're going to wipe that off. So folks, as you can see from our water and from our towel, we have removed the rust from our tools here. As you can see, rust's gone, nice and shiny. And our blade here, no more rust on the blade edge. Now I've had this blade for a very long time. This goes back to when I did a few stints with roofing. And so this has weathered the test of time, but as you can see here, no more rust on the edge there. So an amazing improvement from what we had at the beginning. And the way to add a nice little polish to your tools, you can do a little vitamin E oil, just a little bit, it's concentrated. Put it on your rag, your towel, and just rub right there. It gives you a beautiful shine and polish. So that's it for this video, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe because you won't want to miss what's next on Less for More. Signing out. Take care.